The bill to amend Republic Act number 11203, more commonly known as Rice Tariffication Law or RTL, has received the green light from the House Committee on Agriculture and Food. This approval comes a day after President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. stated that he will certify the bill as urgent.
As promised by the Speaker, this is a priority that we will pass an amended RTL, Rice Tariffication Law.
One of the significant provisions of the bill is to grant the National Food Authority or NFA the power to sell rice again at low prices in the market. No representatives objected to the bill after several days of hearings.
Kaya kailangan po mag-intervene ng National Food Authority dito. Bigyan ng kapangyarihan makapagbenta ang NFA sa mga palengke like before. 2018, 2017 nakakapagbenta. Ewan ko kung sinong ang nag-aproba nito na inalisan ng kapangyarihan ng NFA na magbenta sa palengke.